Hi, I'm Marie and here's a quick overview of my red diamond watercolour tutorial. This was a great exercise to really focus in on the levels of contrast that is needed to create a three-dimensional image and also a shiny surface. It's a really good exercise in understanding how to create the depth and contrast that you can use in more subtle ways when painting subjects from nature, such as in my botanical and natural history tutorials. In this tutorial I use black watercolour to darken my red and white gouache for the highlights to create the really reflective surfaces. Usually I create my darker and lighter colours from the colours on my palette, in order to keep them more natural looking and in harmony with the rest of the colours across the painting. But in this tutorial I'm focusing on the stark contrast that I want to create rather than colour mixing. I don't usually use either black or white paint, so this tutorial has a totally different focus to my usual subjects. And it really is great fun to create a little sparkle to add to your toolbox of painting skills and also your portfolio. So if you'd like to try the full step-by-step tutorial, just come over and take a look at the Watercolor Members Club. The link is below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming tips and techniques. Have a great day and thanks for watching.